Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM video channel, or really it's the YouTube channel. We're talking about the how to use the TenKei total profit target part 9. Been forgetting to mention in the other videos that if you want to be a part of this, you can by enrolling in the course, and you can actually get all this to use it for yourself. So you really should be checking out parts 1 to parts 9 and beyond, so you know exactly what it can do, and then you can go and do it yourself, because our mission statement is to help 10,000 of you create a full-time living doing what you love while making a difference in the world using the complete and combined TenKei automated trading machine. Now this is the complete and combined TenKei trading automated, lots of words. Right, I shall just poo-poo my own words, but this is the TenKei 7.0 EA, and over here we have the TenKei total profit target. When combined, they're powerful, but the TenKei TPT is just as powerful by itself. This is what we found, and it's been a bit of a surprise to us, because we were kind of harping on about this all the time with the TPT. The TPT does all the work anyway. So just meanwhile, look at this. I mean, let's just jump to this a minute. Let's pull this out of the way. For you who just watched the previous video, which would have been part 9, part 8, this is part 9. We had this high up here, came down, and we're talking about whether it's going to go to this next high here. It did, and it came down, then it's like a triple high almost, and now the market's going down. So if you see the market going down, what do? You go down with it. Yep. That didn't sound rude, did it? But you sell, you go short, okay? So there, when it's going up, you go up. When it goes down, you go down, okay? So we wanted to get into, we're already talking about the lock-in trigger pips, which means if you are a trader, if you know you're trading and you think, okay, you're after 30, for example, your stop loss may be 37.5, yeah? You're manually trading, or you got your own trading program, your own trading system. It could be scalping, it could be swing trading, position trading, long-term trading, but you see you're in a move, you can actually see it, or maybe you can't see it. But even if you can't see it, you can still have a stop, a total profit target of 30, a total stop loss of 37.5, odd number, right? But you should know why if you watch the previous videos. The auto trading time of when things really started, wake up and trade from 7 a.m., basically. So that's when the auto trading starts. And then you can decide to use a profit lock-in, saying true. So when the price goes down or up to a certain point, you can trigger that to be whatever you want. In this case, 3. Yep. So clicking here, nothing's happening. Hold on a minute, what's going on there? Let's just click out that. Double click. Right, that's 3. That number could be anything you want. Okay? So if you had that 3, the number 3 in there, that means, let's just try this. Let's see what happens. Alright? Let's hope it works out. Oopsie daisy, just want to double check that I got that set right. So okay that. It looks to me like it's come down quite a bit. Is it going to go down any further? We don't want to just, just showing you an example. I'm not sure whether it will go down further. I think it's played itself out. Right? I'm going to put, no, I won't do that. I'll take that off. I'll pull this down here. You know what I like doing? This is what I like doing. I'm going to put another line in here. This one here, actually. Let's go over here. So I'm teaching how to use this horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line. Click. Yep. I'm going to put it down to double click it so it activates it. Where is it? Here we are. Drag it down to that low over here. And make this color green. So let's put in a nice rich green. This green here, nice green for the ground. green for the ground, for the low. Okay, that's the low, that's the high. So the market was going up and down. You could say sideways also, but it's going up and down, up and down. Then this is the previous low, lowest, well, the previous low here and here. So looking at this, if we'd been around here somewhere, I would have said, yeah, let's give it a try, just to jump in to show you how the TPT works. That's the only reason. But I'm thinking bit of a bounce here, bit of a bounce. And when you look at the daily chart here, it's somewhere in the middle. Okay, it's Friday. It's 2:44 p.m. Is that the right time? 2:44 p.m. Yeah. The US markets have just opened. So if we were to make a decision on this based on what we can see, it's kind of hard to tell. And I wanted to show you about locking in this profit here. Yeah, locking in this profit. So that number, let's set that number to 30 again, for instance. Okay. And this OK it, so it locks itself in. We're going to go back into it. Okay. So now it's 30. And we were looking at the trigger 3. It's going up. It's going up. See that? It's going up over there. I just want to show you how this works. But because now we're not setting up a target of 3, it's now 30. But let's do this. We have to do this for this test, this example. Okay. Because I want to show. I'm only showing you how the TPT works. I'm not showing you to be jumping willy-nilly into trades. So we press buy. Come on now. It's moving fast. Silence and wait for a quiet moment. Oh, come on, get us in. It's running away. There we are. Okay, so we want this now to, of course, let's pull him back. We want it. I want to show you as an example for this to go past that to lock in the 3 points. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait. We're relying on the traders. They're getting excited, and there's lots of excitement here, as in they're buying now. Okay, so we want to lock in 3 points. We've got set the use profit lock-in as true. We want to lock in 3 points. What happened there? What happened? I heard it make a sound. Okay. All right, maybe that's a delay in the sound. Okay. So, say for instance you have your total profit target of 30, your total stop loss of 37. It's playing around with that entry point. Now, of course, we wanted to get in earlier than that, but it was moving so fast we couldn't get into a price. And this is why and how, where you could say using an EA can get us in faster, especially if you know what your EA is meant to do, than sitting there trying to press the button to get in. But the idea here is for, because I don't want to run out of time on this, is for this, the target, total profit target is here, the stop loss is here, total stop loss is here. We want to lock in 3 points once this, and if this price goes past that by 3, it will lock it in for you, okay? And then if it comes back, it will then stop you out, but at least you've got your 3 points. All right, time is running on to 9 minutes. I'm going to pause this video or stop this video. We're going to go to part 10. Okay, thank you.